Let me, honestly, pinitch sa akin ng JRB unit. Pinitch nila sa akin. I said yes sa first meeting pa lang. And then, nangyari yung napanood nyo. Nangyari yung baha. I think a week later. And then, medyo sunod-sunod. Like I said kanina, everything's just falling into place eh. Kumaga, the show was presented to me before this happened. And sabi ko sa interview natin na nung nasa Coast Guard tayo that hindi ako Coast Guard dito but it's connected. So wala, kakaiba talaga si Panginoon eh. He just, when you, I think, I work from a place of gratitude kasi. So I think when you're grateful, ang dami rin blessings nangyayari sa buhay mo. And ito, sunod-sunod na. And sa pinitch nila sa akin and kung paano kami nag-usap sa mga meetings namin, this is gonna be a very hard show mentally, physically, emotionally. But when you love what you do at medyo talagang malapit sa puso ko to, I'm gonna give 150% dito.
Okay, thank you.